Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Honda Odyssey key fob here. It works for these models 2018 and 2020 and you don't need any fancy tools, you only need this battery 2032 and you can find this battery in the description and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is turn this key over like this to the back and right here you see this small button. Now you need to slide this button to this side and when you do that, right after that, you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. And when you remove this mechanical key, turn the fob like this to see the bottom over here. And now in this space over here between these two pieces, you need to insert the tip of the mechanical key right in this space like this. And when you insert it, now twist it a little bit, rotate, push, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces like this. And when you separate it into two pieces, make sure this side here with the buttons is facing down because you can very easily lose them. So be careful about that. Alright, and when you separate into two pieces like this, it's very easy to remove the battery again. Just take the tip of the flat screwdriver, insert it here and push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just install your new battery like this. And also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. So this step here is very important. And now when you place your new battery over here, just take these two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, and now just snap them together, just like this here. And now when you do that, take this mechanical key again, put it back inside the fob, just like in the beginning, and right after that, your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that. It will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.